Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 6. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Pushiyu. Gu singing. After that quarrel, the performance, the time is getting closer. Every day is soaked in the rehearsal hall. There are fewer and fewer connections with Xiaoyu. Back then, singing, she was really busy on rehearsing something on the studio. She was dancing gracefully. Look at her. She looks really calm, also composed. But perfect King, her movements are very stretched and beautiful. It is true that you are the lead dancer of the show. Well, it was clearly. Gu Singin is really a great performer. Gu Singin said, thanks. Oh, it seems that she was really satisfied with her performance today. After a long work, finally, everything is settled. Oh, praise her that it is. Really take yourself as a person. Kim Nanke, the deputy lead dancer. Turns out someone's get jealous on her. Maybe. Flattered something about her, right? They put the blame on Xiaoyu. If you have a kung fu gossip behind your back, it is better to practice your movements again. Right now, this girl seems to be getting angry. See you tomorrow, Gu Singing said. Others said bye. Well, finally, she can go back home. Oh, her rival girl, it's something strange. Sister Nyanke, you have also done the lead dancer. How do you think that she will arrange the lead dance soon when she is new? It's so unfair to the Sister Nyanke. It was the next day, the dance rehearsal before the Fraps room. It may be worse to fall. Oh, this girl, she was really plotting something against her. Right now, she often. It is for, well, maybe. She was really plotting something against her. Looking at her mischievous face, she will do things like that. On the other hand, she took off the roof. Don't blame me for this. Who let you? And I grabbed the chief. Oh, so it means that this girl was really jealous about her. Even she was new. Singing will be the leader of the team. It was next day. It turns out they all perform hanging. Singing seems to be good at flying. Well, suddenly, look at her. The rope suddenly snapped. It was steering. Goose singing. She is really falling down on the floor. Oh, this is really terrible. How can someone hurt her? She fall down. It was snapped on the floor. And it really makes sense. It really hurts her. Looking at her face, she looks really in pain. Oh, fall. Where do you usually go high to? Youngest said to her. Other girls said she deserved it. Right now, Gu singing. She was shaking. Probably it was really painful. Someone might help her and send her to the hospital so she can be treated by the doctor. After being injured, I became abandoned. Sons to the dance group. Meniscus damage, at least 2 to 3 years, do not high strength. The doctor said to her. So, it really cost her a lot. Back then, only have to go back to China to recover. That was really painful. Senior, can you wait for me? It was Xiaoyu. She remembers. Back then, Xiaoyu wants to go abroad also. But right now, she will go back to China. She was calling her. Right now, looking at Fushiyu on the screen. Xiaoyu was calling her, but Gu Xingyin said to her, Xiaoyu, I'm going back. Someone was calling Xiaoyu also. Well, it really makes sense since the two of them are separated. Gu Xingyin was abroad. Someone was calling Xiaoyu and said to return back. Xiaoyu, it seems that she was busy on that time. And Xiaoyu looked back at her. Senior, I should be very busy on rehearsal now. The assessment is very nervous. I will talk about it later. So it turns out on that time, Gu Xingyin said to herself, well, it turns out, Gu Xingyin, dancers without contract, It will not be hard again. So everything is messed up to her. Everything falls down. That time, all she can do is feel bad about herself. Well, I guess she was really feel lonely and she can't call anyone, especially Fushiyu. She was busy on something. You are the one who does these things. Even you don't want me, even you betray me. Oh, it was good singing. She was really crying on the time. On that time, it was Fushiyu was calling her, but she was hesitating since she really feels sad. Also that time, Gusingin said how can she forgive Fushiyu again? And that time she put the blame on Shiyu. But everything started because of Shiyu. That's why she fall down. She was thinking if she going to block her, whether to block contact Fushiyu. Well, she was really hesitating. But on that time maybe she really blocks her. That's why disappear from the world. She feels so sad to do this. She really feels lonely and also feels really broken. You're always so selfish. 4 years ago, it's not like this. It's the same now. Shiyu doesn't know. Remembering the fuss, of course. Suddenly, she hid for years. It's really strange for her. Xingyan said selfish. It is righteousness as a kind of bandage. Right now, it was Shiyu who was really crying. That's what you always thought. Now, Shiyu. Everything hurts from the fuss. Fushiyu, don't you have self-esteem? Right now, hearing this, it's all about me being self-indulgent. Fushiyu said to Gu Singing. Since the two of them are getting angry, they can said things like this. It's wrong to think about being nice to someone, Shiyu said to Singing. Right now, after seeing Shiyu singing, she looked down. She was facing Shiyu. Her heart's really softened a little bit because Shiyu was really crying hard. Right now, she moved closer to Shiyu. Well, it means that. That's why she moved closer to her. I want to be with my sister. I want to dance with my sister again. Shiyu is asking her right now. Let's see on what will happen next week since the two of them already rekindled. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!